Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Expert Civil Engineer. In today's video, we are going to see the complete waterproofing process in a landscape area, which is one of the most critical parts of building construction. Landscape decks, podium areas, terraces, and garden slabs are constantly exposed to rainwater, irrigation water, and moisture, which makes waterproofing extremely important. If waterproofing is not done properly in these areas, the water can penetrate into the concrete slab and eventually cause several problems such as water leakage in the basement or rooms below, structural deterioration of reinforced concrete, rusting of steel reinforcement, dampness in ceilings and walls, damage to interior finishes. That is why choosing the correct waterproofing system and proper application method is essential. In this project, we are using Nitoproof 600PF, which is a high-performance polyurethane liquid waterproofing membrane widely used for terraces, podium decks, landscape slabs, and wet areas. In this video, I will explain the entire process step by step, including surface preparation, crack treatment, primer application, waterproofing membrane application, protection layer, final finishing for landscaping. Before we start the application process, let's first understand why waterproofing is extremely important in landscape areas. Landscape areas are different from normal terraces because they include soil and planting beds, irrigation systems, water features, drainage layers, decorative flooring. These elements constantly introduce water to the slab surface. If waterproofing is not done properly, water can easily travel through the concrete pores. Concrete may look solid, but in reality it is porous, which means water can slowly penetrate inside it. When water enters the slab, several problems occur. That is why in this project, we are using Nitoproof 600PF, which forms a seamless waterproof membrane over the surface. Nitoproof 600PF is a single-component polyurethane liquid waterproofing membranes. Because of these properties, it is commonly used in terraces, balconies, podium decks, landscape slabs, wet areas. In landscape areas where water exposure is high, proper waterproofing is essential to protect the building structure. In this project, we used Nitoproof 600PF, which provides a flexible, seamless, and durable waterproof membrane for outdoor areas. By following the correct steps such as surface preparation, crack repair, primer application, waterproofing membrane installation, protection layer, we can ensure long-lasting protection against water leakage. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.